Welcome back to my channel. I am BBarbie365, and if you are new, welcome. I'm going to be doing an install on my mom. I got this wig from Aliexpress, as you can see from the intro, and it is from a company named Sea Forest Hair. So for starters, you are watching me tint her wig cap. I am using Ruby Kisses in the number 9. It is a habit of mine to tint the full wig cap. I don't know, I think because I just randomly do it. I do it all the time. So I forget that I only have to just go down the sides and do the middle on the T-part wig. So you're watching me use my Got To Be glue spray. I'm spraying back the flyaways so I don't get any hairs caught up when I use my lace spray. And I'm going to be using the black can of the Eben spray. You guys, it's awesome. Way more stronger than the orange, yellow, and the red bottle. So if you want a stronger hold, maximum hold, get the black bottle. You don't even need hairspray, or not hairspray, you don't even need a blow dryer. I kid you not. But of course, I did go in with the blow dryer. So I'm going to be melting that down for 10 minutes with my ultimate melt belt. noticed the wig was a little bit shiny, and most of the time synthetic wigs are. I just take a can of my dry shampoo and spray it all along the wig to knock out the shine. And I'm going to be using my Frieda Friss Ease to take that frizziness away. The wig was really frizzy and it shed a lot. I'm also going to be taking my hot comb and running it through the wig. And I had it on a temperature of 340, and that still didn't knock off this frizziness off, you guys. See that the lace is melted, and I'm going to cut it off with my razor. So moving right along, I'm going to further melt her hairline using my satin wrap, and I'm going to run through the hair with my Cantu wax stick. Using my powder in the color Caramel in LA Girl Pro. this is the final look. Thank you for tuning in, watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell. See you next time. Blessings.